Want to change a character's profile picture on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Talkie AI. Make sure you are logged in. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Now head over to your character or the Talkie AI that you have created and want to change the profile picture of. Let me move into this one for now. Click on it. Now click on their profile at the very top. Click on this edit icon. So right beside your profile picture, you will see the option where it says edit. Click on it. Tap on edit image at the bottom of the screen. Click on select from album. It will open up a gallery. Choose the picture that you want to replace it with. Once you have selected, zoom in or zoom out and adjust the picture. Once done, click on this icon. Now wait for a while for it to load. And there you go, your profile picture has been changed successfully. So this is simply how you can change the profile picture of Talkie AI on Talkie Lab. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.